How to dispute late payments on your credit report. We've all had a late payment that seriously impacted our credit score. But if you find a late payment on your credit report that you did not make, you have the right to dispute the inaccuracy. In this video, we'll take you through the steps you need to take to dispute a late payment on your credit report and get your score back on track. Check your credit report for errors. Start by double-checking if the late payment listed on your report is indeed incorrect. Compare the payment due dates with the dates you actually made the payment, ensuring that you paid the bill on time and for the correct amount. Also, make sure to verify if the creditor received your payment and applied it to your account. Gather supporting documents. Once you have identified an error, gather all supporting documents that prove you made the payment on time. This may include bank statements, receipts, or canceled checks. Be sure to make copies of all these documents, as they will be needed to back up your dispute. Write a dispute letter. Now it's time to put everything in writing. You can find sample dispute letters online, but it's important to customize your letter with specific details about your situation. Address the letter to the credit bureau that issued the report with the error. Start the letter by informing the credit bureau that you received their report and noticed it includes inaccurate information. List the creditor's name and account number with the mistake. Then clearly explain the nature of the inaccuracy. Request an investigation of the matter and correction of the inaccuracies. Mention that according to the Fair Credit Reporting Act, FCRA, you understand that they have 30 days to complete your investigation. Also, ask them to provide you with written confirmation of the results of their investigation. And if the information is found to be inaccurate, request that they promptly update your credit report. Include your full name, social security number, and birth date at the end of the letter. This information helps the credit bureau to locate your account. Attach copies of supporting documents to back up your dispute. Mail the dispute letter to the credit bureau. Mail your dispute letter and supporting documents to the credit bureau that issued the report. Be sure to keep a copy of your dispute letter and all other documents for your records. Mail the letter with a delivery return receipt so that you will know when the credit bureau receives it. You may need the delivery receipt later as proof that you sent the letter and requested the correction of the inaccurate information. 30 days later. Expect to receive a response from the credit bureau within 30 to 45 days after they have completed the investigation. Monitor your credit report. Finally, check your credit report a few months after filing your dispute to ensure that the error has been corrected. If the late error is still showing up on your credit report, contact the credit bureau to request a follow-up investigation. Disputing a late payment on your credit report can be a time-consuming process, but the benefits are well worth it. Even a single late payment can have serious consequences on your credit score, so it's important to take action if you believe an error has been made. With these steps, you can effectively dispute inaccurate information in your report and get your credit score back on track. For more information about how to repair your credit, watch my videos, and get a copy of my book at creditruin2creditworthy.com. Please like and subscribe to get more tips on repairing and building your credit. Comment below to let me know what other credit repair videos you want to see.